Hello guys, welcome back to Universe Sandbox. Today we're going to be doing some fun stuff. It's going to be much more fun than the other videos because I was still testing out the thing, seeing if you guys would actually like it. That was an accident. I didn't mean to actually hit the Earth with the moon yet. That was for later. Okay, let's just do it now that we've already hit the Earth with the moon. Let's throw some other things at the Earth. See what else we can throw at it. What about Mercury? 2 Mercuries that collided into 1 Mercury that will hit the Earth. Oh, that is painful. That is painful. Slow it down to 6 hours. Let's go to, I don't know, the Earth. In the comments of these videos, please tell me what you want me to do on Universe Sandbox, because I just kind of make up ideas. I want you to make up ideas, and I'll write them down on a piece of paper or something, and I'll do them in the next episode of Universe Sandbox. Let's throw Venus at Earth. I'm gonna go super far away from Earth and get Venus going. Probably take a few years for it to get there. Let's start its path. Now that's been around it's been a few months. Now let's keep going. It's gonna collide. Oh, it's not colliding. Okay, it's just going out to the universe. Maybe I put it too far away from the Earth, and it didn't even hit the Earth. Okay, there goes that Venus. Let's go to the Earth, I guess. Earth. Okay, here's the Earth. Pull it down. Let's put Venus very far away, and now it's gonna hit it. Oh, the Earth turned into a fireball. Fast! That was fast. Venus is still okay. Venus actually survived that. Dude, there's no damage on Venus. Venus is fine. The Earth turned into a fireball. That's crazy. Let's restart the simulation. Let's see what would happen if we replaced other stars with our sun. Let's pause the simulation. Let's go to Tools. Go to Transform. Go to Sun. And we'll go to Swap Object or something. I thought it was a type. I thought it was a thing. I thought it was a thing. Okay, there's the sun. That's the exact coordinates of our sun. Now let's replace it with, I don't know, another star. Alpharad. Alpharad will make it really hot in the solar system. Let's click on Alpharad. Zoom out. Dude, where's the habitable zone? The habitable zone is past Neptune. Neptune's in the habitable zone. Dude, Uranus is... Dude, I bet the inner planets are gonna burn up in the second. In seconds, the inner planets will burn up. Look, see? Mercury, Venus, and Earth are going through their fiery dooms. Earth is already heating up. It's a fireball now, and it just collided with the sun. Same with every other thing in the solar system. They're all coming and crashing down on Alpharad. They're all coming crashing down. And everything's on fire. Everything is officially on fire. Vesta, Pallas, Ceres, Mars, Jupiter's gone. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Jupiter are gone. Pallas, Iris, and 52 Herculina, Vesta, Ceres, and Mars are all on fire. They're literally on fire. Dude. Okay, let's reset the simulation. Yeah, this is the habitable zone for our planets. Now, why don't I pause the simulation and let's get rid of our sun. Delete the sun. That exact location, replace it with Ethana. I guess a blue dwarf star? I don't really know what that is. I didn't study what stars are. I've studied a lot of astronomy, but I never actually studied what a star is. I learned a lot about astronomy. I just never really learned what like the different names of stars are. So, oh, it's gonna go straight. Okay, what's happening? What's gonna happen? Okay, let's go to tool. Actually, let's go to view. And now turn that off. Mercury, Earth. Oh, everything's out of order. Venus is destroyed. Mercury and Earth are flaming hot. Iris is on fire. Actually, Iris is I don't know what it's doing. I think it's like shooting out gases. I don't know what it's doing. I think Hebe's about to. Yeah, Hebe's on fire. Earth is a fireball now. Wait a second. What if we place the Earth with the sun and the sun with the Earth? That would be fun. Okay, let's go. Let's slow it down. Pause the simulation. Go to our sun. Move it to where the Earth is. Actually, I have to delete the sun and the Earth. Delete the Earth, delete the sun. Now I've deleted both those objects, we're going to replace them. We're going to put the Earth as a still model in the middle of our solar system. It will not orbit. It's not supposed to orbit anything. I guess because it's not a star. I'm still gonna. Okay, there's the Earth right there. The sun will be in our solar system, orbiting around our solar system. Let's make the sun into a planet by changing everything about it. Let's go to Earth and make it an Earth in size. Now it's a planet. Its radius will not be a Jupiter anymore. It'll be one Earth. One Earth. There's 13 Earths in radius, I guess. And average temperature will be around, I don't know, 56 degrees. Oh, that is weird. That is one weird planet. Dude, that looks so beautiful. Dude, that looks like 51 Peg B, which is another planet. Dude, that is weird. Why don't I make it 14 Earths in size? I'll make its mass 3 Earths, so its actual thing can be 1 Earth. Now it's actually 1 Earth in radius, but not 1 Earth in mass. But it'll just be, that's just how it's going to work for now. Now that that is done, and I got to make the Earth the sun. So that's going to be pretty difficult. That's the difficult part. it was easy turning the sun into a planet, but I don't know how I'm going to turn the Earth into a star. Let's go to Kevin. And now, the Earth is normally 282 Kevin. Or, I think it's Kevin's. I don't know, I just call it Kevin. Now, let's change it to, I don't know, 1,000 Kevin. 1,000 Kevin doesn't do very much. It's still sustainable to life, I think. Yep, life likelihood 46.9%. Drastically lower, but I mean, it's times 10. Dude, times 10. The Earth is now flaming hot. And the mass of the Earth will be a sun. Now we have a star. Its surface temperature went to 3.6 Kevins, which will now change to 1,000 Kevin, which it's still trying to light, but it failed to light. Times 10. Times 10, times 10, times... Okay, I destroyed the Earth. Wow, I'm a terrible solar system keeper. Okay, let's add the moon as well. That's the Earth and the moon. There's the moon. Now I guess the moon will be orbiting the Earth. Because it does. Okay, sorry. I had the hiccups. Ugh. Now, its radius will be a sun. Okay, what is that? What the heck is that? Dude, what is that? Did I just break the world? Okay, its surface temperature will be 5 million. 5 million Kevin. And I broke it. Let's make the Earth million Earths in size. In radius, it'll be 10,000 Earths. That is giant. Let's light it. Light it to 1,000 Kevin. Okay, I just kind of broke the moon. I guess this is not possible to replace the sun and the Earth. Dude, that supernova just erupted out into the solar system. Everything is on fire. Even as far away as Uranus was affected. Dude, Uranus turned into a piece of fire. Sedna is literally on fire. Dude, the farthest out objects in our solar system are on fire. Fire. Everything is on fire. This is terrible. This is terrible. This is great YouTube. This is terrible for the solar system. Great for YouTube, but terrible for the solar system. Oh, the humanity. Oh, the digital humanity. All that's left is... Dude, wait, Neptune just turned into a ball of water. Sorry, I screamed a lot. Look, Neptune is water now. Jupiter is just chilling. It's fine. So is Saturn. Pluto's like half submerged and I don't know what. Ugh. I think I just broke the entire solar system. Okay, a final thing on my mind right now to do in the solar system is add 1,000 planets. Actually, no. Wait, I have a better idea. Make everything 10 times larger. Everything will be 10 times the size. Except for the sun. The sun will stay the same size. Mercury, radius, times 10. Dude, it's times 10. Venus, radius times 10. I just multiplied everything by, I just multiplied the radius by 10. The Earth is now a frozen ball in space, but I mean, whatever. We're not worried about the Earth in this. Mars is 10 times larger now. Let's make Vesta. Radius 10 times. Now it's a planet. Ceres. It's pretty small. 10 times larger. We won't worry about the asteroids too much. I just want to make a few of them bigger. Okay, he'd be 10 times. Jupiter will be 10 times larger than what it is already. Okay, now Jupiter is a star. Hope things don't start turning to it. Try to orbit it. Times 10. Saturn is a star as well. Maybe I should do these times 5. Times 10. I'm gonna do it times 10. Okay, now it's around the same size as Jupiter. Radius times 10. Sedna times 10. Times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10. Okay. Radius times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10. The radius of Sedna has been increased so much that it's bigger than our solar system. Its radius is giant. Dude, E plus 10 million. It's over the size of the Milky Way. Dude, everything is tiny now. Let's see what our good friend Mercury looks like. What does Mercury look like right now? Dude, everything is submerged inside of Sedna. Everything is inside of Sedna right now. Let me destroy Sedna real quick. Everything is inside of Sedna. Okay, let's make the sun 10 times larger. What would happen then if the sun suddenly became 10 times the size? Okay, I just officially broken the solar system. Bye guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bradster, out.